Alright everybody, this is where the car is right now. At the beginning of this video, everything you've seen so far has been pictures throughout the whole process. Got the firewall slicked off, that'll be in the videos. Frame cleaned up. We've added some roll bars to the original cage. Every joint on the subframe has been ground, cleaned up, and re-welded from where they weren't done properly before. Whoever built the car added a door bar here. Still have to add the door bar over there. It's already bent up though. I had to cut out the old bar plates because they were bubble gummed in there. We've modified the transmission tunnel and closed off the big hole right there where the shifter used to be. It was originally a 4-speed car before we ever had hands on it. And the fender cut out. That's what we're working on today. I'm gonna patch that quarter panel in here soon. About 2 hours and 30 minutes of film. Got about 2 hours and 30 minutes of film. A little bit lot easier than your film. Yeah. Walk over here where y'all can hear me. That car was originally in a wreck, and that rear right side was pushed in and the whole valance underneath was mashed in. So now we're trying to get it straightened out to actually be straight and look right and go with the new body panel that we're working on fitting in there. So that's why we're back on the back of the car trying to get it all straightened out, and the body panel's not in yet. I didn't say anything to you. Talking to the camera. I had to walk away because someone was making noise. gotta take the quarter power and jack it back out.